Hello, my name is Alper Ekmekçi. I'm coming from Turkey actually. I represent as the territory sales manager responsible for all Africa here in Nigeria. Actually, I represent Wavin Group. Who is Wavin Group? Wavin Group actually is a company in all the piping solutions who has approximately around 32 production plants all over in the world. As you can see here, we have full solution for the all kind of piping systems. As I told you, for the superstructure building projects or infrastructure projects. What kind of? As we have PPR range here for potable water, for hot and cold water applications. We have pressurized PVC. We have wastewater, polypropylene and PVC products as well. We have silent wastewater piping systems. One of the most striking products that I want to show is this product, which we call Apollo. Indeed, it is not like regular UPVC product. It is used for pressurized piping systems, especially for infrastructure projects. What are the advantages? Contrary to HDPE piping systems or UPVC pressurized piping systems, you don't have any kind of extra fitting with this Apollo piping because it is extremely flexible, that you don't have any kind of fitting. You don't need any kind of butt welding or electrofusion welding, so you will just need to connect, thanks to glue, the piping system and go ahead. What else I will show you? I will show you one of our new technology product which we call Hep2O piping systems actually. It serves for heating plus likewise PPR, hot and cold water applications, has an extreme temperature resistance, and the most important part, it decreases the possibility of making any fault while installing. Why? Because even my wife can install this that much easy. Thanks to this stuff, you can easily remove the pipe from the fitting.
My name is Morgan Korafo, and I work with Wavin. Okay, my colleague has already introduced himself and introduced about Wavin. We are basically a manufacturer of pipes and fittings. So, we have a large brand portfolio, but basically in Nigeria, we focus on a few of them that are relevant to our market, like PPR, PVC, HDPE, and Hep2O. So both the above ground, below ground products, we all have them. Now let me talk briefly about this product that I'm holding here. If you go to our houses, most times you see people trying to control the odor we have in our homes with deodorants. Now, I have to tell you now that that's more like solving a symptom instead of solving a problem. Now, what brings about odors in our homes? Most odors we have in our homes are flow bags of air, contaminated air from septic tank into the houses. And what we try to do to stop this is by the use of what we call a P-trap. The P-trap contains water inside it, and what happens is that water prevents the flow back of air from the septic tank into the facilities. Now, the problem with P-trap is that it fails. Sometimes either the water has dried up or the pressure from the flow back of air from the septic tank causes the contaminated air to flow back into the house. But we have a product called Hep2O. This Hep2O has a membrane inside. It's like a one-way valve. It allows the flow of water into the house, but doesn't allow any flow back into the house. So it allows water to flow in through here, and then once it flows in through, it seals up, so nothing can flow back into the house. and there's no risk of water drying up and all that. So with this, whether it is in the urinals, whether it's in the WCs, whether it's in the sink and the ocean basins, nothing flows back into the house from the septic tank. So this is one of the products. And one of the things that I want to tell you about Wavin is that we're not like other suppliers who sell to you and they move away. I am here on ground as a technical support for our customers. So they buy, I do training and I do after sales support, and then we also have a distributor in Lagos here where we stock a large quantity of products. So Wavin is here to stay, and I believe that in a few years to come we will also start manufacturing baby pipes locally. So this is what we do. Thank you.